guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the KingCamp Tall Director's Chair. This was sent to me courtesy of the YOU2E Store over on Amazon.com. Thank you so much for sending me this chair for review. So my husband is helping me out and we are currently opening up the box. This is sped up video, just to let you know, we don't move this quickly. It comes packaged in this plastic, and yeah, a very, very stylish chair. I noticed right off the bat. I think it looks really nice. And there it is. My husband's pulling out the side table, and this is a footrest, believe it or not, this little bar that he's putting down here. And so if you want to rest your feet, you have that option. This is the standard usually for traveling makeup artists, or if you're on a movie set. This chair is definitely worth its weight in gold because it has a lot of back support, and it's just a really great place to put up your feet and relax, and very easy to fold. And look how tiny that is. You could throw that in the back of even the smallest car. I lifted it myself too, and I'm not terribly strong, but I didn't have a problem carting that around. I drive a very tiny sedan, and easily I could throw that in the back of my car, as it folds up really, really easy. My husband again is throwing this back together in real time, and as you can see, it is just a snap. That's where we put the little drink. Very cute, and yeah, very stylish chair. Again, guys, another graph to show you how the chair can just be collapsed at a moment's notice. It is very easy to do. I am not a very technical person, but I didn't even have problems doing this. So it is very, it's just a snap to put together. And if you are interested, all of the good information and the link for this chair to buy it on Amazon is in the notes. It retails for $99.99 with free shipping. I live here in Michigan, and it got here in less than a week. So that was really, really fast shipping, and you will not be disappointed. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.